Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a South Indian style red coconut chutney to serve with things like idlis, dosas, vadas and appams. This particular red chutney is especially perfect for those who love a slightly spicier chutney flavored with garlic, but it's also adaptable to suit most taste buds. So let's get started, shall we? For making this red coconut chutney you need 1.5 cups of grated coconut. You can use fresh or frozen coconut. If you're using frozen, ensure to thaw it to room temperature before using it to make chutney, else it will not blend to form a smooth chutney and instead the chutney might look a little lumpy. 1 red chilli and 1 bedki chilli, but you can use both red for extra spice or both bedki for lesser spice and more color based on your preference. 1 teaspoon tamarind paste to balance the spice. This is always based on the number and kind of chilies you're using. 2 to 3 medium to big garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste. And 1 cup of water. You can add a little more if you prefer a more liquidy chutney. Just adjust salt accordingly. Then for the tadka you need 3/4 tablespoon coconut oil, 3/4 teaspoon black mustard seeds and 10 curry leaves. Once you have all the ingredients ready, start with making the chutney base by grinding together grated coconut, garlic, coriander seeds, red chilies and tamarind along with water and salt. When you have blended it into a smooth paste, transfer the chutney into a bowl or a serving container. Then in a tadka pan, lightly heat up coconut oil and add in the mustard seeds. When they start popping, add in the curry leaves and give it a quick mix. Within 15 to 20 seconds, when curry leaves are lightly roasted, take the tadka pan off the heat. Then add this tadka to the chutney and mix it in. And there you have it, a quick and easy South Indian style red coconut chutney. Serve it with idlis, dosas, vadas or appams and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!